Has a woman ever walked into a room and stared at you for a couple of seconds? You probably felt a rush go up to your spine. Well, that wasn't because she said she wants to sleep with you. But her eyes said everything. So, you already know the importance of nonverbal communication. It's just that you haven't paid attention. Now, it's time for you to get back in touch with yourself and really see what attracts women. And it doesn't have much to do with the words you use. Here's what you need to learn when it comes to knowing how to attract women without talking to them. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. Go check out my website to view all my latest articles on self-improvement and dating. Links are available in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, pay attention to your appearance. I don't want to say that people judge, but I'm not going to lie to you either. People do judge others based on their appearance. Now, you don't have to look like a prince, but you need to get your basic hygiene practices covered. Wear clean clothes, shower, cut your hair and nails, look presentable. Number 2, your friends. You don't have to use your friends, this isn't what I'm saying. Your friends certainly help you out with your self-image. Chat with them, joke around with them. In other words, have a good time when out with your friends. If a woman is interested in you, she observes how you interact with your friends. It's the best way to see what kind of guy you are. Number 3, show your best self. If you want to attract a woman, show your best self, because if you don't think women watch, you're wrong. Though we may not be directly staring at you, we watch you. So, when you want to attract a woman, show the room your best side, because trust me, we notice. Number 4, your physique. It's not about the six-pack, it's about self-care. Women are always attracted to men who want to take care of themselves and love themselves. This is what it really shows. It's not about the abs, but how a man values himself. So, you don't have to hit the gym for hours a day, but women are automatically attracted to men who take care of their bodies. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.